Hi, I am Wazir Fan. I love open source community and making open source contributions. In this video, we are going to be looking at how we can handle a large amount of data in the React application. We are going to render a large amount of list data in our application without getting our application bogged down. We have the stage defined up here in the component. We have the use effect and we are making a request. We are getting the post data and we are storing it in the state. Down here, we are mapping the post data and we're rendering the post data in the browser. I have also added a filter. This basically gonna look at the keywords you type in your input and filter the result. So let's see how does it look in the browser. So we have a list of post data coming in. I have the filter up here. So let's type in here. So it's filtering the results based on the keywords I type in the input. For this amount of data, it is working fine. But if we were working with a large amount of data and we update the list and we render it on every keystrokes we type up here, it may bog down our application, and we have also hadn't implemented the pagination and React virtualize. To improve the performance for this filtering, you can use the use transition. So what does the use transition do? It will mark the state updates as the non-urgent update. This means filtering option executed in the background while the component keeps continuing to be rendered. So let's look at how it is implemented. So we are using the use transition hook, and this hook gives us the two things, start transition and is pending. So let's write the start transition here. This hook returns us the arrow function. Let's set the filter post like that in here. So what we're doing here, so we are wrapping the state updates in the start transition. So by wrapping the state updates in this hook, we are marking it as a less priority. So we are setting the priority here, we are setting the order. So React focuses on rendering updates with a higher priority, and React can defer low priority updates. We have defined the start transition here, and we have defined the is pending down here to show the loading state. So now if we go and see, now we have defined the filter input as less priority. So now when we type in here, React won't immediately render the list and we won't have the slow and laggy interface. But use transition shouldn't always be used. By using use transition, you are making your application do more renders. And I recommend you to use only use transition when you have a large list of data coming in. And if your application loads data progressively, such as lazy loading or infinite scrolling, use transition could be helpful in that scenario. I will leave my GitHub profile link below so you can check out my packages I built recently. I'll see you till next time. Bye.